At this point at Exponential, is that your team going in and manually doing the research? How much of the risk scoring are you automating away with code at this point? And then where does that trend over time? How much can you just automate away and write code to analyze?
The experience of having done startups before is you start with doing the unscalable stuff and then you figure out which parts are the hardest and you try and scale those. And so I would say it's hard to put a number to it, but maybe like 20-30% of it is automated right now. And 70% of it is manual, with the idea being that we'll probably get to that 80-20, where like 80% of it's automated and 20% of it will always require some form of manual. Some of this information is on chain, some of it's not on chain. Some of it we're able to pull from other sources. Some of it we're not. We're like constantly finding ways to automate pulling of more information. But truthfully, I doubt we'll ever get to a point where it's 100% automated, because there's always going to be new stuff. There's always going to be some level of human, like really understanding the economics of how something works. And, looking at like audits and actual code quality, there's places where you're going to want some level of that expert looking at something and making a call. And we try and make it as objective as possible, but it's a really hard problem, which is why it's so much fun to work on.